Hi my dear children, how are you all children? Yes, super, that's good. I hope that you are all fine. Okay, are you ready? Are you interested for today's class children? Very nice, come on. Now we are going to learn English subject. Let's see today's topic children, okay? In today's class we are going to learn the A sound. Yes, after that we are going to see some examples, words with A sound. After that we are going to do some interesting activities. Yes, these are from your phonics skill book. Is it clear children? Are you ready? Come on. Now we are going to learn some words with A sound. Okay children, see here. Yes, the letter A, children, the letter A is a vowel. Yes, children, the letter A is a vowel. As in the words, see the words, look at the picture and see the words. Try to open your mouth and read the words, okay? The letter A is a vowel as in the words, bat, cat, lad. Okay, open your mouth and read, okay? Read with me. Bat, cat, lad. Yes children, from these words we can understand the sound of the letter A, that is A. Bat, cat, lad. Okay, before move on to words with A sound, we have to learn something. Okay, see here children, look here. Before learn and see words with A sound, we have to learn these things. Yes, we have to learn how to pronounce these letters. Okay, are you ready? Before that, tell me what is the sound of the letter A? A. Okay, B is added to A. What is the sound of the letter B? Ib. Ib plus A, ba. Ib plus A, ba. What is the sound of the letter C? Ik. Ik plus A, ka. Ik plus A, ka. What is the sound of the letter D? Id. Id plus A, da. Id plus A, da. Very nice. If plus A, that is F plus A, fa. If plus A, fa. Okay children, what is this? The letter G that gives the sound ig. Ig plus A, ga. Ig plus A, ga. Okay, what is this? Letter H that gives the sound ha. Ha plus A, ha. Okay, ha plus A, ha. Let's see some more. Okay. See here, what is this? Letter J. J gives the sound ij. Ij plus A, ja. Ij plus A, ja. What is this? Letter L that gives the sound il. Il plus A, la. Im plus A, ma. This letter M gives the sound im. Im plus A, ma. Okay children, let's see some more. See here. Children, see here. Yes, next we are move on to the letter N. Okay, where we? Yes, we are move on to the letter N. See here, what is this? Letter N that gives the sound in. In plus A, na. In plus A, na. Very nice. Open your mouth and spell with me. Okay, read the letters loudly. What is this? P. Ip plus A, pa. P gives the sound ip. Ip plus A, pa. What is this? Letter Q. Q plus A, qua. Q plus A, qua. Okay, what is this? Letter R that gives the sound ir. Very good. Ir plus A, ra. Ir plus A, ra. Very good. What is this? Letter S. S gives the sound s. Okay, S gives the sound s. Is plus A, sa. Is plus A, sa. What is this? Letter T. That gives the sound it. It plus A, ta. It plus A, ta. See here. What is this? Letter V. What is this? Letter V. U plus A, va. U plus A, va. What is this? Letter W. That gives the sound U. U plus A, va. U plus A, ba. Y plus A, ya. Okay, that gives the sound E. Okay, E plus A, ya. Is it clear, children? Let's read some more letters. Okay. Yes, now we are going to read these letters loudly. Okay, what is this? B and A. That is ip plus A, ba. What is this? D-A. That is da. It plus A, da. F-A. That is if plus A, fa. What is this? P-A. That is ip plus A, pa. Very good. What is this? S-A. That is plus A, sa. What is this? Il plus A. L gives the sound il. A gives the sound a. Il plus A, la. Very good. What is this? Ma, ha, ra. Let's read once again. Ba, da, fa, pa, sa, la, ma, ha, ra. Is it clear, children? Let's say some more example words. Okay. See here, now we are going to read some words with A sound. Okay, children, are you ready? Come on. Yes, the first one is, yes, see here, AD. Yes, we have to read AD, the letters together as add, because it, add. Yes, D is added to add. It plus add, dad. It plus add, dad. What is the sound of the letter P? Ip. Ip plus add, pad. It plus add, dad. Ip plus add, pad. Okay. Move to the next one. See here what it is? Am. Yes, children, we have to read the letters AM together as am. In, am. Yes, now the letter D is added to am. That is it plus am, dam. It plus am, dam. What is this? Letter J. That gives the sound ij. Ij plus am, jam. Ij plus am, jam. Let's see next one. The next one, ab. Yes, children, we have to read the letters AB together as ab. Ib, ab. Okay. Now C. Letter C is added to ab. That gives the sound cab. Ik plus ab, cab. Okay. The letter N gives what sound? In. In plus ab, nab. In plus ab, nab. Open your mouth, children. Okay. Brisk. Open your mouth and read with me. Okay. Enjoy the class. The next one. See here. Yes, AT. We have to read these letters together as at. It, at. Now the letter H is added to at. The sound of the letter H is ha. Ha plus at, hat. Ha plus at, hat. Now the letter R is added to at. That gives ir plus at, rat. Ir plus at, rat. Let's see next one. Okay. See here. Yes, the next one is ag. Yes, children, we have to read the letters AG together as ag. Ag. It, ag. Now the letter B is added to ag. What is the sound of the letter B? Ib. Ib plus ag, bag. Ib plus ag, bag. Very nice. What is the sound of the letter T? Now T is added to ag. It plus ag, tag. It plus ag, tag. Let's see next one. That is and. Yes, children, we have to read these two letters together as and. In, and. Now F is added to and. That gives sound fan. If plus and, fan. V is added. If plus and, van. What is the sound of the letter V? If. If plus and, van. Okay, let's see one more. See here what it is? App. Yes, children, we have to read the letters AP together as app. It, app. Now C is added to it. What is the sound of the letter C? Ik. have tab. Very nice children. Now I hope that you all got a clear idea about the A sound. Okay, let's revise it with a video. Okay, let me show a video to revise. Okay, see here. See here children. Let's see this video.
The A sound. This is the vowel A. The vowel A makes the sound A as in the band. Land. Words with A sound. Let us add D and add make dad. P and add make band. B and add make band. T and add make dad. D and M make dad. J and M make jam. F and N make fan. V and N make van. C and M make cab. N and M make nap. C and M make cat. T and M make tap. H and at make hat. R and at make rat. Let us learn some more and words. And words. Camp, dad, jump, nap, tap. And words. Bag, dad, hat, mat, bag, sack. And words. Bag, gag, lag, nag, rag, tag, wag. And words. Dam, ham, jam, man, ram, yam. And words. Bag, can, fag, man, bag, ram, dam. And words. Can, lam, man, nam, ram, dam, yam. And words. Bat, cat, fat, hat, nut, rat.
That's it children. Have you clear with the sound A? Yes. Shall we move on to the interesting activity? Are you ready for the activity children? See here. Now we are going to do one interesting activity, okay? See, look at the screen. The activity is select the objects that have the A sound. Yes, the activity is you have to select the objects that have the A sound. Look at the screen. You have 8 pictures. Let's see one by one. What it is? Apple. What it is? Acorn. What it is? Comb. This is car. What it is? Can you name this? Pen. This is aeroplane. Very good. What it is? This is bag. This is pencil. Yes children, the activity is from this 8 objects you have to select the objects which have the sound A. Only the objects that have the A sound. Are you ready? Let's see one by one. What it is? Apple. Is this bird have the A sound? Yes. Then select it. What is the third word? Comb. Is this word have the A sound? No. Very good. What it is? Car. Is this word have the A sound? Yes. Very good. We are selecting it. What is the fifth one? Pen. Pen. Is this word have the A sound? No. Okay. Move on to the next one. What it is? Aeroplane. Is this word have the A sound? Yes. We are selecting it. What it is? Bag. Is this word have the A sound? Yes. You are correct. What is this? Pencil. Is this word have the A sound? Tell me. No. Shall we check the answer? Yes, children. The words apple, acorn, corn, aeroplane and bug. These 5 words are have the A sound. You are correct. Very good. Let's see one more activity, children. Okay. Come on. Let's see one more activity. Yes, see here. Now the activity is match. Yes, you are going to match the pictures on left side with the words on right side. You have 3 pictures on left side, 3 words on right side. Let's see one by one. What it is? Tab. What it is? Mat. What it is? This is a boy is sleeping. That means nap. Okay. M-A-T. What it is? M-A-T. Mat. N-A-P. Nap. T-A-P. Tab. Yes, children. Are you ready to match the pictures with words? Are you ready? Do it with interest. Okay. Come on. What it is? Tab. You have to match this picture with the word tab. Where is the word tab on right side? Can you guess it, Jen? Look at screen and tell. Very good. The last one. What it is? Mat. Where is the word mat on right side? Very good. Here the first word. Move on to the last one. Which word is apt to this picture? The word nap. Where it is? Yes, the second one. Yes, see, this is a continuation. Yes, here also you have 3 pictures on left side, 3 words on right side. You have to match the picture with the correct word. Are you ready? What it is? A girl is sitting and she is feeling very sad. Very good. This is cat. This is a girl. What she is doing? She is running. Okay. C-A-T. What it is? Cat. R-U-N. Run. S-A-D. Sad. Now are you ready to match? Yes. Match this picture with the word sad. Where is the word sad on right side, children? Look at the screen and tell. Very good. The last word. What it is? Cat. Where is the word cat on right side? Tell me. Yes, the first word. You are correct. What it is? Running. Where is the word run on right side? Very good. The second word. Children, do you enjoy the class and activities? I hope that now it's time to do follow-up activity. Yes, children, after this class, you have to take your phonics skill book. Okay, what book? Phonics skill book. Take page number 5 and 6. Read the words with A sound. Okay. Please make note the page numbers properly. 5 and 6 in the book phonics skill book. You have to read the words with A sound to enrich your phonics skill. Okay, children, keep practicing to read the words. Okay, take care. Bye.